Banabakuchai, we just found a plug. On our way to another plug, we found a plug.
Rose.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart beat. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed.
Wanakochai, can I tell you my excitement levels to get this mirror is on like 2000%. I have been wanting this mirror for a very long time. So Kikerela shop or randburg Bariki Mirror City SA, and so far it's the cheapest place I've seen. So I was like panicking. Instead of going back home Mawani after work, I decided to sleep at my friend's house because she lives about 20 minutes away from the place. So Ario collect her mirror Runa. I hope nice. I hope I'm not disappointed because I'm so excited. Luna, and I found a plug for you. I want a genuine plug. This is a genuine plug because most places sell it for like 3K, but they have it for like 1.5. Like most places go for like 4,000, 3.7, and a bona 1.5. So, Ariye, Rorek. I'm just happy. So I'm literally passing Kirugo the mirror place, and I'm seeing this store, homestop, and this is how I find plugs, mind you. I'll be driving somewhere.
Turn left onto CR Swart Drive.
I'll be driving somewhere, and then I just see a store, and I'm like, this looks interesting. So apparently it's got stuff. So maybe it's another plug.
That's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. I'm cool when now you waiting, but I act a fool when I don't get it. And I'm steady bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted.
Banabakuchai, we just found a plug. On our way to another plug, we found a plug. I'm so excited for the content that's gonna come from this place because it is an actual find. I do think that some of the prices might be a little bit higher than some places I've seen, but it's worth it. I go run back, I wanna go high. Get go bonta. Mara plug, I wanna go high. Okay, nero reka spili. I don't reka spili. Nero reka spili. I get to why keep papili, but I'm happy keep papili because I'm about to plug you. I'm about to plug you. Yes, see. So I'm here. It's a Mirror City. I'm so happy. I'm here for this mirror.
Never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true.
It's on 1.7 vele. Kunompumelelo.
My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the side of mind, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not to sabotage this. Got to be more, been here before. Life's better.
Wanna go hide? Please excuse the state of this room because it's a work in progress. So I'm building my content room this side of life. So yeah, I don't like this desk. I need to change the desk because it's too big and the space is too small. But that's not why we're here, guys. The mirror has landed in the house. Okay. Mara ke na le plan ne. Kore ke nyako etsa hore ebe to do, even nice, even to do. So my plan is to take this mirror, ko Pepong, 99 rand ko Pepong. But I just wanna take the frame and then ke tlo spray paint gold and then be a modimo ha mirror. And then it tla le vibes. Okay, it tla le vibes. Because why must I do something basic? Never. Me, where, who, why? I don't be build a small heaven, guys. I'm so adamant to build this small heaven and build it at my budget. At the budget that I have, right? Like, yes, we are influenced. Let me not lie. The girlies, we are always influenced to buy mirrors like these. But I really just want to do it, enjoy it, and not feel like I'm overstretching myself. 7,000. I want to experience joy and happiness with my 1.5 mirror, but make it damn aesthetically pleasing at the same time. Okay, Mara, enough with the preaching. I think it's 4:10 or 4:15 no ne. So kinako who shoot a reel for my Insta girlies because I mean why not? And then you don't want to the whole process. There is my mirror. There is my mirror. Kimiri wama kuaka.
To break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, yeah, karma's really real. How am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my way?
I just want to show you the vision before I start cutting. Something like this. Like, I just need to figure out the circle now. How we're going to make that circle work. But do you see the vision? Oh, I like this one. I actually like this one.
Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor.
Look at this girly. Look at this girly mirror. Satisfied. I'm satisfied. Shab, come on, bro. Ooh. And my lens is somehow. Let me clean my lens. Look at the girlie from the back. Thank you so much, Manokokai, for tuning in with me. I hope it inspires you to do your own mirror. Anyway, kita lupa nak the next vlog. Kita rata ka love. Bye.